Ever wondered how vast our universe is? Or better yet, did you know that it's expanding right this second? Yes, you heard that right. Our universe in all its cosmic glory is constantly stretching and growing, a phenomenon that has fascinated astronomers for centuries. Understanding this expansion isn't just about satisfying our curiosity, it's about unraveling the secrets of our existence, our past, and our future. It's about realizing that we are part of a cosmic story that's still being written. Intrigued? Good. Stay tuned as we delve into the intriguing journey of our universe's transformation. Our story begins almost 14 billion years ago with a massive explosion popularly known as the Big Bang. This is the moment where all of space, time, matter, and energy that we are familiar with today came into existence. An unimaginable event, so powerful and intense, it sparked the birth of our universe. Imagine all the cosmos, every galaxy, star, planet, and all life forms, compressed into an infinitesimally small, hot, dense point. This was the state of our universe in its earliest microseconds. Then, in an instant, this point began to expand rapidly. The explosion was not like the ones we are familiar with here on Earth. It wasn't a blast that occurred in an already existing space. No, the Big Bang created space itself. It was the expansion of space that carried galaxies apart and continues to do so today. In the immediate aftermath of the Big Bang, the universe was a hot, dense soup of particles, primarily light particles or photons, and basic building blocks of matter like quarks and electrons. As the universe expanded, it cooled down. The quarks combined to form protons and neutrons, which eventually led to the formation of hydrogen and helium atoms. These atoms clumped together under gravity to form stars and galaxies, the building blocks of the universe. In less than a second, the universe grew from smaller than a single atom to bigger than a galaxy. And it kept on growing at an incredible rate. It is still expanding today, almost 14 billion years later. As it expanded, it cooled and structures formed. The tiny fluctuations in the density of the early universe grew into the vast cosmic web of galaxies that we see today. The Big Bang, a monumental explosion, set the stage for the universe as we know it. It was not just an event in the universe's history, but the very beginning of all history. The birth of space, time, matter, and energy. From a hot, dense point to an ever-expanding cosmos, our universe has been transforming, evolving, and creating wonders since its inception, and the story is far from over. Following the Big Bang, the universe began its expansion, a process that continues to this day. This was no ordinary expansion, mind you. It was an incredibly rapid one, known in scientific circles as cosmic inflation. Picture, if you will, an almost unimaginable surge of growth that took place in a fraction of a second. This was the universe on a growth spurt like no other. As the universe expanded, it also cooled. This cooling allowed for the formation of the most basic elements we know today, hydrogen and helium. These elements clumped together under the force of gravity, giving birth to the first stars and galaxies. Each star, each galaxy, an incredible testament to the power of this cosmic growth spurt. The universe didn't stop there. Oh no, it continued to expand and cool. And as it did, more complex elements began to form. These elements, in turn, gave birth to planets, including our very own Earth. Yes, you heard that right. The universe expanded, cooled, and in the process created the conditions necessary for life as we know it. But don't think for a second that the universe's expansion ended there. It's still expanding even as we speak. The galaxies are moving away from each other and new stars and planets continue to form. This expansion is not only a testament to the universe's past, but also a key to understanding its future. It's fascinating, isn't it? From the Big Bang to galaxies far away, the universe continues its expansion. A process that started nearly 14 billion years ago continues to shape our cosmos, bringing with it new discoveries and insights about the universe we call home. Fast forward to today, our universe is still expanding and at an accelerating rate. This cosmic acceleration is a phenomenon that has puzzled scientists for decades, and it's believed to be driven by a mysterious force known as dark energy. Dark energy. It's a name that sounds more like it belongs in a science fiction novel than a physics textbook. But this elusive substance is thought to make up around 70% of our universe. That's right, most of the universe is made up of something we can't see, touch, or even fully comprehend. Yet, it's this unseen force that's believed to be responsible for the universe's accelerating expansion. Observations of distant supernovae first led to the discovery of dark energy in the late 90s. These exploding stars serve as cosmic mile markers, allowing scientists to measure the universe's expansion rate. To their surprise, they found that the universe wasn't just expanding, it was speeding up. This threw a wrench in the existing theories about the universe's fate. It was previously believed that the universe's expansion would slow down over time due to the gravitational pull of all the matter within it. But dark energy, with its repulsive gravity, appears to be pushing galaxies apart at an ever-increasing speed. Despite it being a major component of our universe, we know very little about dark energy. Is it a constant force, or does it change over time? Could it be a new undiscovered particle, or perhaps a flaw in our understanding of gravity? Scientists around the globe are grappling with these questions, using the latest technology and observations to probe the universe's secrets. The universe's story is far from over. It continues to grow and change, driven by forces we're still striving to understand. As we look up at the night sky, we're not just seeing stars. We're witnessing the ongoing expansion of the universe, a cosmic journey that began billions of years ago and continues to this day. So, what lies ahead for our ever-expanding universe? Well, brace yourselves as we dive into the cosmic future. Based on its current rate of expansion, there are a few potential scenarios that scientists have theorized. Let's start with the Big Freeze. This theory suggests that as the universe continues to expand, it might eventually reach a state where all the stars burn out, leaving behind a cold, dark universe. Next, we have the Big Rip. This is a rather dramatic scenario where the universe's expansion accelerates to such an extent that it literally rips apart everything, from galaxies and stars to atoms themselves. And then there's the Big Crunch. Imagine if the universe's expansion slowed down, stopped, and then reversed. Everything would start moving back together, eventually collapsing into a singularity, much like the one from which the universe was born. These theories, while fascinating, are just that, theories. The universe might have other plans in store. Perhaps it will continue to expand at a steady rate, with galaxies drifting further apart but remaining intact. Or perhaps a new force will come into play, leading to a scenario we haven't even imagined yet. While the future of the universe is still a mystery, one thing is certain: its transformation is a never-ending journey. Today, we've traveled billions of years, witnessing the birth, expansion, and potential future of our universe. We explored the Big Bang, the moment of creation that sparked the expansion of the cosmos. We journeyed through the early universe, where energy transformed into matter, creating the first atoms, stars, and galaxies. We then followed the universe's growth over billions of years into the vast cosmic web we see today, full of galaxies, stars, and the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy. We pondered the current state of the universe, with its mind-boggling scale, beautiful complexity, and unsolved mysteries. Looking into the future, we contemplated potential scenarios, from the Big Freeze to the Big Crunch and the Big Rip. These theories remind us that the universe's story is far from over, and it still holds countless secrets waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this journey through time and space, do give this video a like. Leave your thoughts in the comments and share it with fellow space enthusiasts. Remember, the universe is expanding, and so should our knowledge.